Next, let's see how we can ask the user a question where the answer is a number. So we're going to ask them a fill-in-the-blank question. Again, I want to go to my world and create a new method for this question. So I'm going to put fill in the number. Now, in this method, again, I want to create a new variable to hold the answer to the number for the number that they give me. So in this case, I'm going to say, let's say the multiplication answer. I'm going to ask them a multiplication question. Since I am going to ask them for a number, I need to create a variable that holds a number. Now I have this multiplication answer that's going to hold some number. I want to bring it into my program code, and I'm going to just set the value to a default value, whatever 2 is fine. Now what I need to do is ask the user the question. So I'm going to go to the world functions. Here I can use a function that's going to get the information from the user and send it back to this variable. I am, in this case, going to ask them for a number. So I drag that over. In place of the 2, I'm going to ask the user for a number. So let's say, for example, I ask them -3 times -4. I want to see if they get that answer correct. So what I can do is an if else after they give me the answer and put it in the multiplication. So I'm going to say I have to create a default value for my if else. So let's say that it's true. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of saying is if this is true, I'm going to say if the multiplication answers equals, and in this case, I want to know if they gave me 12. So I can put in 12. So notice what I am now checking. If their answer is equal to 12. If it is equal to 12, oh, that means they got it right. So again, I can do whatever I want to do. Let's say this time I'm going to play a sound first, and then I can do more things. I'm going to do a whoosh. They don't have great sounds. I might have to import my own. If they get it wrong, I might want to say, let's review So that's just a simple way to see how you can ask a question where the user is going to give you a number, and then you can check if the number is what you were looking for.